So here's a one more project where we can use our scraps to create a unique piece of jewelry. First, I'm using the sterling silver wire to create my shape. It will make it easier to stick to the form I wish to have. It's very important to have the table isolated from the heat and from the flame, so I'm using soldering board and charcoal block. Now I'm distributing pieces along my heart shape. If you're using a hand torch like me here, remember not to make the pieces too thick or too big, as it may make the process of melting a little bit more difficult. Now sprinkling a little bit of borax powder. It will help to dissolve oxides and keep impurities on top. I will now heat everything evenly, and then I will be working on one section after the other. The fun part of this project is that you never know exactly what the final effect will be, so you may end up with many interesting forms and details. While making a piece, it's important to observe what's going on and to take off the flame whenever you see that the melting is going too far. I'm helping myself here with the solder pick just to keep the pieces in place and to move them around a little bit if necessary. And here I decided to add an extra drop at the bottom of my heart. Quite happy with the shape I obtained, so now it's time for quenching, pickle and cleaning. This is how my piece looks after the first round of tumbling. If you would like your piece in a kind of rustic, little bit rough look, you could probably end up here, just adding a cord. Yet I'll keep on working on my piece. I've soldered a small bail in the back. I've also smoothed all irregularities and sharp edges. Kept polishing until the piece was nice, smooth and shiny, and then I oxidized it using the liver of sulfur. I also added red garnet charm made previously, and of course a chain. Removed the excess of oxidation using a very fine steel wool. And here it is, our final piece. I hope this video inspired you to make a piece of your own too. Well, happy crafting!